Transform your bedroom walls with stunning DIY decor. Are you ready to make your bedroom truly your own? Transform blank, lifeless walls into a personalized heaven of creativity and charm. DIY wall decor lets you express your individuality, save money, and create a space that's as unique as you are, all with just a few simple tools. Let's start with simple wall art. Grab canvas, paint, or recycled items to craft minimalist masterpieces tailored to your style. Don't worry about perfection, imperfections add character. Even a splash of your favorite colors can instantly brighten your walls, making your bedroom a representation of who you are. Turn cherished memories into a striking gallery wall. Use printed photos, fairy lights, or decorative washi tape to display special moments. Layer frames of different sizes or create a cohesive grid design. Experiment with texture for a cozy feel. Use fabric backdrops, wooden panels, or woven tapestries to create depth and warmth. You can even upcycle old items like mirrors, palettes, or baskets for your decor. Let your creativity flow. There are no rules when it comes to DIY wall designing. Nature lovers, this one's for you. Mount small planters or hang greenery to breathe life into your space. Use succulents, trailing ivy, or faux plants if you're low on maintenance time. Surrounding yourself with natural elements fosters relaxation and energizes your room for a peaceful retreat. Now it's your turn. Unleash your creativity and make your bedroom walls a reflection of your style at your pace. If you're ready to start your DIY adventure, like this video, leave a comment with your favorite idea and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly inspiration. Let's create together.